21st Amendment of the Constitution. In the backdrop of the 1960s, India was eventually dealing with the various linguistic as well as regional identity issues. The linguistic reorganization of the states in the 1950s had led to the formation of the states based on the languages, which aimed to accommodate the linguistic diversity. However, the Sindhi-speaking population felt a sense of linguistic and cultural exclusion, as Sindhi was not initially included in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. The socio-political situation was marked by the demand from the Sindhi-speaking community to recognize Sindhi as an official language, reflecting their identity and the historical significance. This amendment was a response to this demand and an attempt to address the linguistic inclusivity in the constitutional framework. The 21st Amendment Act of the Constitution of 1967 was introduced to amend the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. This amendment was specifically introduced to include the Sindhi as one of the scheduled languages for which the Government of India is responsible for the development. This proposal to include Sindhi was brought forward by then Home Minister Yashwant Rao Chavan, who had increased the number of scheduled languages from 14 to 15 by adding Sindhi to the list. Before this amendment, the 8th schedule had listed 14 languages. In 1992, the 71st Amendment expanded the list further by adding 3 more languages like Meitei, Konkani and Nepali. Later, in 2003, the 92nd Amendment increased the total number of scheduled languages to 22. The bill underwent the discussion and debates in both the Rajya Sabha as well as the Lok Sabha in 1967, ultimately receiving the approval from both the houses. President Zakir Hussain officially approved this particular amendment on April 10, 1967. While the amendment itself was in response to the demand of the linguistic inclusion, it did not generate significant controversy. The Sindhi-speaking population had long advocated for the recognition of Sindhi as a scheduled language, and the amendment was seen as a positive step towards their addressing concern. However, it's important to always note that linguistic and regional issues in India have historically been sensitive, and discussions around this official language recognition can sometimes spark debates. In this case, the amendment appears to have been accepted without any major challenges, as it is aligned with the aspirations of the Sindhi-speaking community. Overall, the amendment played a role in recognizing and addressing the linguistic identity of the Sindhi-speaking population within the constitutional framework. Hoping that you all have understood this particular amendment. For further enquiries or further doubts regarding this 21st Amendment, you can comment down below the comment section. Please do like and share this video. For more such updates, subscribe to India Legal.